In this video, we're going to look at a different way to write the equation of a line. And this is what's called point slope form. So in point slope form for the equation of the line, it is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so just like before, we're going to need two things to be able to write the equation of a line. So every time you want to write the equation of a line, you're going to need slope and you're going to need a point. So at the very least, you have to have those two things. And so in this case, all we have to do is basically plug in the slope and then plug in the x1 and the y1 parts of the point. So for example, write the equation of the line in point slope form given A, the point for -9 and slope -5. So the -5 is my m, the 4 is my x1, the -9 is my y1, and so all I have to do is plug into this formula. y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So it's going to be y minus y1 is -9 equals m, which is -5, times x minus x1, which is 4. And then minus -9 would give us positive. So y plus 9 equals -5 times x minus 4. And you don't have to do anything else to it. So this right here, that is point slope form. So we'll try another one. So our point here is -2, 1, and our slope is -5/2. So again, that point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And this is our m, this is our x1, this is our y1. And so we're going to have y minus y1, so y minus 1 equals the m minus 5/2 times x minus x1 is -2. So we're going to have y minus 1 equals minus 5/2 times x plus 2. And I'll do one more here. So if we had the points 3, 2 and slope of 4, we'll just make it positive 4. So again, here is my m, here is my x1, here's my y1. And if I use that point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, we're going to have y minus 2 equals 4 times x minus 3. And so again, this is that point slope form. And that's what this objective is asking for. But as a kind of little side note, if you solve the point slope form for y, you'll get slope intercept form. If we solve for y, we will get slope intercept form. So if I took this y minus 2 equals 4 times x minus 3, and I first distributed that 4, so y minus 2 is going to be 4x minus 12. And then I added 2 to both sides, so plus 2, y would be equal to 4x minus 10. This is the slope-intercept form of the same line. So you can get from point-slope form to slope-intercept form. And so some people, rather than do what we did in the slope-intercept video, some people like to always use point-slope form, and then if they need slope-intercept form, solve for y.